too strong. Maybe I waited too long. Maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for I could fall or I could fly, even your aeroplane. And I could live or I could die, hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jump in harder than 10,000 runs on the way. So don't call me baby unless you mean it, and don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. You're a mystery. I've tried with the world, there's no other girl like you. No one, what's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall, I could fly, here in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die, hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, lie awake every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. Don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Let's hear it, everybody! I could fall, I could fly, here in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die, hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, and sitting back, looking at every mess that I made. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you. Before I dive right into you.
This dance is called Don't Call Me Baby, choreographed by José Miguel Belloque. It is a 2-count, 4-wall, advanced level, rolling 8-count line dance. There are 2 restart and 1 tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot, forward rock, recover into a coaster step, recover, together, forward. Step left foot forward and make a half turn left. Right foot back and make a half turn left. 2 walk, left, right. Step left foot forward and make a quarter turn left, hit your right foot. Cross. 3 quarter turn right. Quarter turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Step left foot forward and make a spiral full turn right. Right foot forward, full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping back. Half turn right, stepping forward. Section 2. Step left foot forward and make a pivot. Half turn right. Keep weight on your left foot. 3/8 turn right. Forward. Facing 430 and drag your left foot. Forward rock. Right foot coaster step. Twin coast step. Forward. 1/8 turn left side. 1/8 turn left forward. Forward rock. Recover. 1/8 turn right stepping to side. 1/8 turn right stepping back. Facing 430. Back and hook your left foot. Section 3. 7/8 turn left diamond from 430 to 3 o'clock. Forward. 1/8 turn left stepping to side. 1/8 turn left stepping back. Back. 1/8 turn left stepping to side. 1/8 turn left stepping forward. Forward. 1/8 turn left stepping to side. 1/8 turn left stepping back. Back. 3/8 turn left stepping forward. Step forward. Now facing 3 o'clock. Forward with a 3. Forward with a 3. Weave. Cross. Side. Behind. Rolling vine to your right. Quarter. Half. Quarter. Section 4. 1/8 turn right stepping forward rock. Facing 430. Recover. Quarter turn left stepping to side. Cross. Now facing 130. Quarter turn left stepping forward. Side. 1/8 turn left stepping forward. Think about it as a twinkle step. Forward. Side. 1/8 stepping forward. This is another twinkle step. Forward. 1/8 turn left back. Side. Cross. 3/4 turn right. Quarter turn right stepping back. Half turn right stepping forward. Quarter turn right, step left foot to left side and sway to left, sway to right. Now let me show you the count. 1, 2 and R3, 4 and R5, 6 and R7, 8 and R. 1, 2, 3, 4 and R5 and R6, 7 and R8. 1 and R2 and R3 and R4 and R5, 6, 7 and R8 and R. 1, 2 and R3 and R4 and R5 and R6 and R7, 8. Last count. There are 2 restart and 1 tag in this dance. The first restart happens wall 2. You dance up to 20 and I'll count. Then restart the dance. Wall 2 you will be facing 9 o'clock. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and R3. 4 and R5. 6 and R7. 8 and R. 1, 2, 3, 4 and R5 and R6, 7 and R8. 1 and R2 and R3 and R4 and R. You will come back to 12 o'clock, then restart the dance. Last wall 2 restart. The second restart happens wall 5. You dance up to 16 count, then 8 the tag, then restart the dance. Wall 5 you will be facing back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and R3. 4 and R5, 6 and R7, 8 and R. 1, 2, 3, 4 and R5 and R6, 7 and R8. These are 16 count. Now add the 6 count tag. Forward, 1/8 turn left, back, side. Now facing 9 o'clock. Cross, 3/4 turn right. Quarter turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Quarter turn right, step left to left side and sway to left, sway to right. Sway hip to left, sway hip to right. Count for the tag. 1 and R, 2 and R, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all 5, tag and restart. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.